Meaning of homologous.
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 Homologous. The term homologous refers to the relationship between two or more structures that share a similar ancestry, i.e., they have evolved from a common ancestor by divergent evolution. In molecular biology, it describes sequences of DNA, RNA, or protein that are similar in structure and function across different species due to their shared evolutionary history. Homology is important in understanding evolutionary relationships and can be used to infer the functions of unknown genes. The concept of homology has played a significant role in the development of evolutionary theory and remains a fundamental concept in biology.